Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about who can apply for Monese. Monese is a mobile-only bank that offers a range of financial services, including current accounts, debit cards, and personal loans. I've been using Monese for a while now, and I've found it to be a really great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable banking solution. In this video, I'm going to cover the eligibility criteria for applying for Monese, as well as some of the benefits of using their services. So, if you're interested in learning more about Monese, or if you're considering applying for an account, then please stick around. Have you ever been frustrated with the traditional banking system? Maybe you've had to wait in long lines, or deal with complicated paperwork. If so, then you're not alone. In recent years, there's been a growing trend towards mobile-only banking. Mobile-only banks offer a more convenient and affordable way to manage your finances. And one of the most popular mobile-only banks out there is Monese. So, who can apply for Monese? Monese is available to anyone who is 18 years old or older and who has a valid ID document. You'll also need to provide proof of your address. There are a few different types of ID documents that Monese accepts, including passports, driving licenses, and national ID cards. If you're not sure what type of ID document you need, you can check Monese's website for more information. Once you've met the eligibility criteria, you can apply for a Monese account online. The application process is quick and easy, and you can usually get approved within a few minutes. Once you've been approved, you'll be able to create your own Monese account. You'll also be able to order a debit card and start using Monese services. Benefits of using Monese. There are a number of benefits to using Monese, including convenience. Monese is a mobile-only bank, so you can manage your finances from anywhere in the world, at any time. Affordability. Monese offers a range of affordable pricing plans, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Security. Monese uses advanced security measures to protect your money and personal information. Customer service. Monese has a team of dedicated customer service representatives who are always available to help you. Monese is a great option for anyone who is looking for a convenient, affordable, and secure banking solution. If you're eligible, I highly recommend applying for a Monese account. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Monese, please feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're interested in learning more about Monese, you can visit their website at https://monese.com/gb/. I hope to see you again soon.